Fashion is transformative because of its emotional impact on individuals and its scale globally. This scale can be positive and circular, or negative, wasteful, and linear. Throw disrupts this cradle-to-grave product lifespan by diverting discarded designer and industrial materials away from landfills while transforming them into new and beautiful products. This is what we do as surely as we breathe.
My name is Eliane Said. I am the managing partner and catalyst at Throw. This is our heart.
We need your financial and emotional support during this campaign and going forward in order to reach this transformative positive scale. Plus, you're going to get some really freaking cool product out of the deal. My name is Anthony Lalore. I am the Chief Redesigner at Throw. Thank you.